Alright, gonna try to demonstrate what I was doing here with the, I got a B5 chassis which shares the same rear transmission and architecture here in the chassis. So normally you have your C-mount in there. You can also get aluminum ones of those and change pills, but the stock plastic ones you can get up to, I think, 3+2, which means 3 degrees of tow, 2 degrees of anti-squat. In the aluminum one, you can get 3 and I think possibly 3.5 degrees of anti-squat. So anyway, what I had done is put some 1 mil spacers underneath the D block, and some people were having some confusion as to how that adds even more anti-squat. And the way it does it is that the transmission mounts solid to the chassis. That part doesn't move. When you put spacers in this D block, this bottom part of the chassis will actually flex downward to allow a little bit more anti-squat into those back pins. So this part flexes downward. It doesn't push anything upward, which would be pro squat. So I just wanted to try to make that a little more clear as to what was happening. That bottom part of the chassis just bolts on and will flex downward when you put spacers under here. So that's where I was getting it from. If you have any questions, just ask. Thanks.